He knows the way. Do you know the way? So, good morning. It is bright and early. This is the first day we've had off from production for work in what, I don't know, 3 weeks or so? Keep going. And we're taking the time today to try and further our swag merch line. And we're headed down to meet with a designer to go over the Park Performance shirts. So we are headed to Clearwater, which is about like an hour drive, and meeting with some friends of mine that I went to school with who own a screen printing business. And we're gonna see if we can't come up with a handful of SKUs that you know, are pretty kick-ass shirts and hats and hoodies and stuff like that. And that'll help us fund the channel's growth and keep us, you know, off of welfare. So
if you're in the area, oh yeah, never mind. His finger.
No, if you're in the area, come by. If you know how to get in touch with us, if you've seen us on social media, drop us a line.
What? Not that street. That street, big left. Okay. Next one.
Next hole. We're teaching Alex how to drive today.
Yeah. It's automatic, so he learned.
Yeah, I've never driven an automatic before. It's so confusing.
Left here. No, I mean, like, we need to start with auto before we can teach you how to drive.
Baby steps.
Because I'm a non-driving ass nigga.
Non-driving ass motherfucker.
And then right here.
So yeah, we've got the mod party on Saturday. I did blow my fingernail all to smithereens, so that's gonna make me basically an invalid for the party, but I will still be able to turn some wrenches, give some guidance, give some help and insight. So we will get it done. We're gonna have, I think, over 40 people already have RSVP'd, so we're excited. We'll see you guys on Saturday. Stay tuned. Grazie. All right, boys and girls, we've made it. We are here. We made it in one piece. We are in Clearwater. We're at Advertee. My buddy Scott and his business partner Brian run this place. We're gonna bring them some t-shirt ideas, some stuff to look at, and we're gonna see if we can't come up with some cool swag. So this is their building, this is their business. If you guys need any t-shirts, hats, embroidery, whatever, look them up. We'll drop the link below. But for now, this is gonna be off air. We'll see you guys soon. All right, so we went and had the meeting with the merchandise, and looks like it's gonna be a pretty simple process. We're excited. And we are headed back north. We're probably gonna start with, what do you say, like 5 or 6 to get started with and go from there?
Yeah, 5 or 6 logo.
I think you have to turn left here, and then you turn right at whatever, all 19 or whatever that is. So we're gonna get some designs, so pay attention to the social media channels and stuff. And that was what, a Tire Kingdom? Yeah. And we'll be putting up some logos and some designs for you guys to look at and to get your input and see what you think would be good sellers for us. We're gonna start with probably some stuff that you'll be familiar with, some Scarlet shirt, an Insert Crowd Here shirt, something like that, and go from there. Is that a bag? Ooh, 350Z is on them. Oh man, they really fooked up. They really, look at that, they really fooked up.
Wheel off.
How did they manage that? How did they do that? How did you even? How the? What the? I don't know, bro. When the Hyundai sees its prey and attacks.
Right? Who's the hunter here? Bro, the wheel came off.
All the way.
All the way.
He knows the way. Damn.
That's fun.
Big cool building down.
I was thinking about this, not only like just a building, but like just a parking lot. So it's like, you know, you can just have your gatherings there.
Right.
You know, and then whoever happens to be in the vicinity, they just happen to get some more business. But once you own the property, they can't kick you off the property if you're
right
there, you know, 20, 30 deep.
So here's the deal. You guys have to make our YouTube channel so successful, and you have to buy so much merch, and you have to support us so strongly that you help us earn enough revenue to go buy a commercial building that we can then lease out the building, and they can't do shit about it because we'll put it in the lease that we have rights to the parking lot after 7 p.m. any night of the week, 8 p.m. any night of the week. Yeah. So there's your challenge, boys and girls. How much do you want to have car meets in the Tampa Bay area? How much do you want to not be able to get kicked out? How much do you want to not be able to be busted by the cops? Make it happen. And then when you prove it and we do that, the next purchase will be a vacant land with which we can have the right zoning and we can make our own drag strip. Fuck Gandy, fuck Mexico. We'll actually open this place up and we'll call it Tijuana. And we'll fucking charge you $5 entry to watch, an extra $5 to run as many times as you want. No AK-47s for the Honda guys if they lose. I'm looking at you, Spring Hill Honda people, whoever the fuck that stupid asshole is. None of that bullshit. Just come out, race, have a good time, make your bets, make your side bets, pay your money, carry on, go home. Make it happen.
What's up?
What up?
What's going on?
Alex.
Jason, I've seen you before. You got a white EcoBoost, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah. Those are for sale too on that blue one if you know anybody.
I was looking at those. Those are the other ones.
Those are the ones I posted the other day.
Really?
Yeah. These are them there. I just wanted to show you something because those are the 32 in the front.
Yeah.
But I wanted to show you because it's going to be a tad bit aggressive on the rear.
Okay.
So like the 32 would stick in a little bit. So that's a plus 20, 20 by 9 with a plus 20, and it's completely flush.
Okay.
So I mean, I'm leaving it up to you. I mean, as you can see from the side, dude, it's completely in.
Yeah.
So I mean, I don't know what tire size you're running on it or anything.
Well, I'm gonna get new tires for it. So I was thinking maybe 275 or 285.
You can do a 275 on there with no
Yeah.
problem. I mean, he's doing 255, 35. It just all depends. Because I looked at this one, because this one it looks like it's about the height. Is your car going any lower?
It's on BMR drag springs.
But so it's not going any lower. It's
No,
not
probably
adjustable.
won't.
Yeah. So
I
you'd be fine. You'd probably be fine with a 275, 35. I don't see you
Yeah.
having
And
an
then I'll
issue.
probably do a 305 in the back.
Yeah. You do a 305 in the back. All right. I'll see you. No problem. So yeah, it's up to you. I figured I'd show you that, and then if you wanted to see like a plus 32, what it looks like.
Yeah, we can.
Let me see here. I saw one in here.
So I've never ordered wheels or anything before. Like,
No, I get you. It's fine.
so I didn't really know what to look for. Like.
Dude, on those cars, dude, you have so much room.
Mm-hmm.
Like mine, I've
You
got
run.
10.5s in the front, 12s in the rear.
Yeah.
I've got 285, 35 in the front, 315, 35. So I mean, you've got rooms for days on these cars, dude.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Take 4.
Take 3.
Nah. What? Shake your hand.
It's a suspension. That's fine. Ooh, daddy. That's gonna fill out nice with some 35s. And I like the way the color on it.
What would they look better, black or red, or just leave it?
I think you should leave them. Or, you know, be like, yo, nigga, they look really good. I need another set.
Right.
Just take the check out. Oh, boy.
Oh, boy.
Motherfucker.
And this lighting, this light just fucking ruined it, honestly.
Oh, yeah.
So I think red would look awesome.
I think it would too.
I should get them dipped red though, not powdered red.
Why?
Because I don't like
Well,
it.
can you do the gloss?
No, like actual dip, not plastic dip.
Right. What? Like hydro dipped. Mm-hmm. That's an option. Mm. So now we got to go to actual wheels being on them.
Yes.
Which is going to happen tomorrow. There's going to be no mod mead. Just Zach putting his new tires on.
See that post?
Bruh. With the spacers out, it's going to be perfect, dude. And in the front, it's just like he said, it's just enough.
That's with the spacer up front.
Right, so if you take the spacer out,
Yeah.
it'll be flush. Same back here.